Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So in this video I'll try to talk about the software update details about the iQOO 7 device. The main reason why I'm uploading this video is because just couple of minutes ago I did create the community post in my channel. So make sure to participate in the community post as you can see here. So these exact community posts which are created for the iQOO 7 users only. So starting from today on the August 14th, a lot of users are actually receiving the new software update which is the 1.70.12 update, and still I'm running only the old version which is a 1.70.9 as you can see friends. Even yesterday also I did do the factory reset, but still it is not helping at all. But still I'm running the old version only. So I thought of creating the community post which will be clearing all the doubts for all the users as well, because I'm getting so many comments, not only one, not only two, I think close to 100 to 200 comments only on this iQOO 7 device in terms of the software updates in multiple videos. So that is the reason I thought of making a community post and explaining to you all. So please try to participate in the community post. As soon as you get the latest update, try to change the voting as well. That will be really helpful for a lot of other users. So I did submit my voting as well, because right now I did the old version only, which is a 1.70.9. Right now you can see the ratio of it's going on at this moment. Please try to participate and ask your friends also to participate in case they are having any kind of iQOO 7 users. Definitely they need to participate friends, because this survey will be really helpful to give the feedback even to the iQOO team as well. So we can actually show them that only this much users are actually receiving this update, and still there are 50% users did not receive, something like that. So make sure to participate in the committee post voting as well. And thank you for watching this video friends. As soon as I get the software update, I'll definitely upload the video. But meanwhile, we need to be a little bit kind of patient, I think so, because we did get the message from iQOO team as well regarding the reply what they got from few of the users, as you can see. So they are receiving in terms of, they're sending the updates in terms of the patches wise, so due to which the update will be slightly delayed for a few of the users. Let's see when we'll be getting the update. That's what I'm going to just check. So don't forget to submit the vote in the community post. That is the reason I thought of making this video and explain to you all. So thank you for watching this video friends, and still there are so many users, as you can see 50% still they did not get the latest update. So don't worry at all. If you don't get the update, don't worry, still there are a lot of users with you, same like me. So again we'll be back with the next video friends once I get the software update. So hopefully we should get the software update very soon. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.